I've heard that we're relational beings, but if that's true, why can meditation be so helpful?
Once you understand how our minds are structured, you'll see that meditation works precisely because we're relational beings. Meditation finally allows us to better control our own futures and avoid repeating the relational pitfalls we've had in the past. When we let the world around us control our every emotion, we become slaves to the world's capricious demands and fickle preferences. Meditation helps us rely on those relationships we hold near and dear and know how to control. This, instead of letting our relational lives control us. Want to know why? The answers can be found in structured psychology. Be on the lookout for it.